guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karla if you don't already know. This is my first ever YouTube video. I've been wanting to make YouTube videos for a really long time now, probably since high school. Unfortunately, I wasn't as confident as I am now, as well as a little bit of fear of what people would say about me starting YouTube. But I didn't have the confidence at all back then. I feel like I'm finally ready to start making YouTube videos. It's something that I feel passionate about. I love making videos. So that is kind of the reason why I made my YouTube channel. I feel like quarantine is the best time to kind of just find new hobbies. I hope you guys will enjoy my YouTube videos. I plan on making them hopefully consistently and make them as often as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and just get right to the video. So today I'll be upcycling some old clothes. Some of the clothes belong to my younger sister, but they happen to fit me and we both don't like them, so I'm going to try and transform them into cuter pieces, hopefully. Alright, so the first piece I have, it's like a light blue tank top with strings as the shoulder straps. I don't really wear this, so I just thought I would upcycle it and try to make it into a cuter piece, into hopefully something I would wear more often. This is another piece I'll be upcycling. It's basically just a gray ribbed long sleeve shirt. I used to wear this really often back then, but it's not my style anymore, and it's also just really long and really stretchy. It does not fit really good on my body anymore, so yeah, we'll be upcycling this hopefully. Oh, I forgot to mention I'll probably be transforming this into a halter top. You guys will see how I do that. Okay, and then for this one, I think I might end up cutting the straps, not the straps, be cutting the sleeves into a short sleeve shirt and then kind of making it into an off the shoulder crop top. We'll see if that works. And then I have this orange tank top. Also doesn't look very nice on my body. I think it's just too big and too long. So I'm gonna be transforming it into maybe a tube top. And then I have these blue, just basic blue jeans. I think I might be making them into shorts. So yeah, that's kind of basic. And then I have this shirt. It was my sister's. Well, it is my sister's, but she doesn't like it, and I also tried it on and I also don't like it. The colors are really cute. I don't know if you can tell. They're just red, white, and blue, and I just love the top, but I'm not a big fan of this little detail at the bottom. It's just not, it doesn't look really good on my body either. I think I might, with this piece, end up just cutting it right there and just have a crop top. Right now, I'm going to start cutting them up. So you guys will see what I do with these pieces. I didn't mention this before, but I'm not sewing any of these pieces or doing any type of crazy stuff to them. I'm just cutting them and trying to make them cute. I don't know how to sew, so
we're working with what we got.
The first top that I'm going to alter is this top. So what I'm going to do is probably I'm going to cut right along here. Next top I'm going to be transforming is this orange tank top, and I'm going to make it into a tube top. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut a straight line right around here. If I don't like the size or if it's too big, I can always cut more. It's always better to cut less first, and then if you don't like the size, you can cut more of it. So once you have finished, you're going to kind of turn it inside out. I'm just gonna cut it right in the middle again. And then next, I'm just gonna cut 2 triangles right here. And then again, I'm gonna do it the same. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. so next I'm going to be transforming this blue tank top and we're going to make it into a halter top. So this one's actually pretty easy. You're going to keep the strings on the front of the tank top, but you're going to cut the back so then we can tie the strings to the back of our neck and make it into a halter top.
Halter top.
So this is the back, and then I'm just going to cut it. I think I'm also going to probably cut this shirt into more of a crop top look because it is way too long. You probably saw it in the try on video, so I'm gonna cut that. Next piece I'm gonna transform is this gray long sleeve shirt. First thing you're gonna do is put the shirt on its front. Then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna use scissors to cut up all the way along the side of the shirt, and you're gonna do it on the other side as well. Next, you're going to cut straight across until it meets the other point. Alright, so now once you cut it straight across, the line kind of looks decent, you're going to turn the shirt around. Next, cut a straight line down the middle of the shirt. Now once you cut it, you should have like 2 flaps, and then the back of the shirt which you cut earlier. And for this shirt, that is pretty much all you're going to do. And then in the try on video, you'll see that I'll wrap these around. And oh yeah, I also want to cut these sleeves because I don't want them to be longer anymore. So I'll cut these, and then you'll see how they look in the try on video. Alright, I've only been doing, I'm not even done yet. I still have like one more item to transform. But I've been doing this for about maybe 2 hours and I am so tired. It's definitely fun, but so far some of these pieces are coming okay. Some of them could have done better, but I'll show you them anyways. So now I'm going to do the jeans and I'm going to make them into shorts. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to kind of lay down the jeans as flat as possible. Basically, what some people do is they like to wear the jeans and then mark a line where they want to cut it, but I'm just going to do it like freestyle. I'm just going to, you know, do it without wearing them and hopefully come out alright. Honestly, like, I mess up everything, so let's see how this goes. I think I'm finally done. That was very tiring, but I think it's because of the fact that I had normal scissors and it was just harder to cut through the fabric. I'm gonna try on the pieces right now. I think I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, 4 shirts and 1 pair of jeans into shorts. I will show you guys how they look. Also, can we just take a look at my room? It's like, honestly,
so messy.
so the next piece I have are the jeans transformed into shorts. So these used to be the jeans and I actually really like them. Pretty satisfied with the way things turned out in this video. Probably could have made a few of the pieces better, but the best I could do with no experience in sewing, so
It's a success.
alright, so that is the end of today's video. If you stayed up until the end of this video, thank you for watching. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the pieces that I featured in this video. I would be more than happy to do another video like this, and hopefully better camera angles, of course. Yeah, I hope you guys were able to kind of understand. I think that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!